Today we'll be taking a look at the newly released CRP2 pedal set made by MOZA Racing. It's their redesigned flagship pedal kit with a solid metal build, including a 200kg load cell on the brake pedal, along with 15-bit angle sensors on all pedals. The pedals are well built and have a nice looking carbon fibre detail on the steel base plate. There's plenty of customization with adjustable pedal layouts, different springs and dampeners that all allow you to get the desired pedal feel and setup. Now, what's really exciting about this pedal set is the soon-to-be released M-Booster active pedal. This is an optional pedal that's compatible with the CRP2 pedals that gives dynamic feedback, simulating things like ABS during braking, and many other effects all through the pedals, but more on this later. So the CRP2 pedals have a high-quality build and a clean, minimalist design, finished in a black and gold colour theme. The kit comes as a 2-pedal set, configured with a brake and throttle, and an optional clutch pedal can be added separately. Along with the clutch pedal, there's also optional accessories like the inverted pedal mount, the CRP2 pedal performance kit for further customizing and tuning the pedal feel, and a longer full-length throttle pedal plate. The adjustable faceplates have a nice hexagon design, and the texture provides some grip when racing. To keep things looking good, all the wiring in the control box is neatly connected from the underside of the base. For mounting, the underside of the base plate has threaded mounting points, along with cutout holes at the top, which makes the pedals easy to install to a sim rig, either from the bottom or the top. Taking a closer look at each pedal, the throttle uses a spring-enclosed design, providing the resistance with a smooth, linear feel. For adjustment, there's a spring preload knob at the back, and this is turned to adjust the tension. The spring is removable, so we can swap it out and tune it with different strength springs. We have adjustable end stops on all the pedals, and these can be used to shorten the travel. The throttle pedal operates with an angle sensor, and this is neatly enclosed and provides accurate input and a long service-free life. The brake pedal is equipped with a 200kg pressure sensor, which will cover nearly the entire braking force range of real racing cars. This is combined with an angle sensor, giving you accurate modulation and helps with braking performance. And what's good about this system is the amount of applied angle sensor versus the load cell is completely adjustable in the software. The brake includes a dampening block structure with various interchangeable options, allowing us to customize the level of firmness. This gives plenty of different brake feel combinations, accommodating everything from basic road cars to formula racing cars. If you do need to customize your pedal further, the optional performance kit includes 10 springs, various dampening blocks, and aluminium blocks. Combining these with the original included dampening blocks, it gives thousands of possible pedal feel configurations to seriously fine-tune the brake pedal feel for F1, GT3, rally, or street cars. The optional clutch pedal simulates the feel of a real racing car with 3 stages of resistance. The first stage offers a short travel with light resistance. In the second stage, the resistance increases sharply, similar to a clutch pressure plate, and the third stage releases the tension quickly. There's a preload adjustment at the back of the clutch, or you can swap out the springs to customize the feel. The clutch pedal also uses an angle sensor to measure the input, which is located on the side of the pedal. Taking a look at the pedal plates, these are an aluminium alloy with a textured hexagon design. They have a smooth feel and good for racing with or without shoes. The angle of the pedal faces are adjusted by loosening the 2 lower bolts at the side, changing the faceplate to the preferred angle, and retightening the bolts. There's also height adjustment. To change the height of the pedal plates, these are adjusted by loosening and removing the 2 rear bolts, and then repositioning the plate higher or lower. The other minor difference between the pedals is the brake pedal comes with a slightly wider pedal plate than the clutch and throttle pedal. Moving on to the unboxing, the pedals are well packed, and in the box we have a sticker sheet, the user manual with setup and operation instructions. We've got the base plate with a carbon fibre heel rest, and on the underside we find the control box attached. There's a heel stop that mounts onto the base plate, an RJ cable for connecting the pedals directly to a MOZA wheelbase, a USB cable for direct connection to a PC, a box of dampeners and springs for fine-tuning the pedals. We've got the throttle pedal and the brake pedal, which both feel solid and well made, and we've got some tools and hardware to get the pedals set up. For the setup, the heel stop has 4 different positions where it can be attached onto the base plate. Next up, the pedals are attached to the base plate, and there's threaded holes where we can adjust the pedal spacing, either left or right. So with a 2-pedal setup, you can place the pedals closer or further apart, or add the optional clutch pedal for a 3-pedal setup. Each pedal has 4 mounting points with holes towards the front and the back, and this allows the pedals to be bolted directly to a rig, or to the included heel plate, or even to the optional inverted mount, giving plenty of mounting options. Although one thing we won't find on the base plate is front to rear adjustment, so we can't offset the pedals. With the pedals mounted, the cables are routed through the slots on the base, and these are then plugged into the ports of the control box. On the other side of the control box, we have the USB for direct connection to a PC, or the RJ port for directly connecting to a MOZA wheelbase with a pedal port. The pedals can also be connected to Xbox when using the Xbox compatible ESX steering wheel by connecting the pedals directly to the wheelbase. The connected pedals are controlled on PC via the user-friendly Pithouse software. In the software, it's quick and easy to set the minimum and maximum travel of each pedal with a few clicks. We can monitor the pedal status, and for further tuning, all 3 pedals are able to have the output curves adjusted to create a custom pedal profile. Scrolling down, we can find the adjustable balance between the angle sensor and the load cell for the brake pedal. This allows us to tune how much angle sensor is used with the load cell. While driving, all 3 pedals are quiet, they operate smoothly, and the soft end stops for the clutch, brake and throttle keeps the noise down. The default setup out of the box feels really good, and I've only adjusted the tilt of the angle of the pedal plates to get more comfortable. I do find the throttle pedal face could be a bit longer and lower for comfort, so I'll probably try out the optional throttle pedal plate, and of course all of this is a personal preference. Now the brake pedal has a wide range of adjustment, and with the dampeners it can be set up light or heavy, so you'll definitely need to bolt down these pedals and use them on a rig to get the most out of them. One other thing I'm keen on adding to these pedals is the upcoming M Booster active pedal. This will have a motorised adjustable rebound, stroke, dampening and friction, so it can simulate a wide range of pedal feel from a road car's throttle to an F1's car brake, and will be able to feel feedback like ABS, traction control, engine vibrations, vehicle vibrations and gear shift impacts all through the pedals. Now it's not only for the brake pedal, for the ultimate customization it can be used as a throttle, brake or clutch. The M Booster will be compatible with the CRP2 pedals, and I think it will take them to the next level, and there's no doubt this will be a popular add-on for these pedals. Overall, the CRP2 pedals have a great build quality, and while driving, the pedals operate smoothly, making it easy to control the car with accurate inputs and good modulation. If you're looking for a high quality set of sim racing pedals with the latest technology, this set might be worth checking out. Let us know what you think about the MOZA CRP2 pedals, and check the description for links and additional information. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.